Digital currency is an exceptionally large stage where a huge number of individuals persistently put away their cash to procure benefit. Here, we are giving some perfect and splendid digital currencies in which financial backers can put away their cash. Everybody realizes that we generally accompany a few intriguing subtleties connected with the moving digital money or converters. Today, we will discuss another incredible token POOCOIN. Presently, it is continually keeping up with its spot in the moving segment of the market, and it is drawing in numerous dealers to investigate its measurements. You will get nitty-gritty value forecasts of this symbolic here. In the event that we discuss the token, POOCOIN is a token on the Binance Smart Chain. The POOCOIN application conveys diagrams and portfolio the board for the Binance AVI chain and endeavors to upgrade the current DEX in various ways. It essentially means to rival Uniswap, which is utilized to exchange coins on Ethereum, and pancakeswap, which is utilized for exchanging coins on BSC. As per POOCOIN, both of these decentralized trades have local examination interfaces, yet are restricted in usefulness. Additionally, as he would see it, pancakeswap's point of interaction lingers a long ways behind continuous exchanges. POOCOIN price prediction. As per POOCOIN, they likewise make a terrible display of conveying value vacillations or individual exchanges, something that Etherscan and PScan can do, however, at the expense of utility. Discussing the ongoing cost of the token, it is presently exchanging at $1.69. The token is really showing the development well overall and connecting with numerous merchants to put their sum in it. Presently, we are giving POOCOIN price prediction, through which you will get a piece of definite data connected with the impending changes in the cost of the token. You can get point-by-point data about every year and the assessed costs of the token. POOCOIN future price prediction 2022. We can see that the ongoing cost of the token is $1.71, and the possibilities of the symbolic filling in the impending year is extremely high. Prior to going to the year 2023, the continuous year 2022 is as of now going to end. In any case, the market or token has numerous days to show a few extraordinary changes. A few specialists expect that the symbolic will unquestionably give an extraordinary skip before the year's over. The assessed cost of the token before the year's over 2022 is $2.62 United States dollars. POOCOIN price prediction 2023. Discussing the cost of the token in the year 2023, a few specialists guaranteed that it won't ever go down. The cost of the symbolic will most likely ascend before long, as certain specialists have guaranteed that in the event that the pace of Bitcoin rises, the entire market will proceed and show something better in each coin and token. The assessed cost of the token is $2.9 United States dollars. POOCOIN price prediction 2024. Presently, the cost of the token is really showing something better for all financial backers before very long. Presently, to put resources into this, it will be truly convincing and productive for every one of the merchants. The token ought to show up everything being equal and will increment in cost before long, and each dealer is anxious to know the cost of the token in the year 2024. The normal cost of the token is $3.67 United States dollars. POOCOIN token price prediction 2025. In the year 2025, the symbolic will show one more change in cost, and the dealers who are hoping to put resources into this token can get a tremendous return in the year 2025 in the event that the market keeps on moving the manner in which it is going. As everybody realizes, the market won't ever go back as it is today, and this is the motivation behind why the costs of coins and tokens continue to change continually. The assessed cost of the token in the year 2025 is $4.29 United States dollars. POOCOIN price forecast 2026. It is being hypothesized that the symbolic will unquestionably reach $5 in the year 2025, and every one of the financial backers will get a tremendous return in the event that they purchase the coin today and sell it in the year 2025. Be that as it may, to show more capability of the coin, then you have one more choice to get a greater profit from your speculation, by selling your token in the year 2026. POOCOIN price prediction 2026 shows that the symbolic will definitely raise a ruckus around town cost mark. Thus, this will really be very noteworthy as each dealer needs a major and gigantic profit from speculation. What makes POOCOIN unique? POOCOIN has refreshed its application various times since the delivery to further develop usefulness and add new elements. For instance, it presented an element that permits clients to see the section focuses straightforwardly inline on the graph to work with following an exchange's advancement. POOCOIN likewise has a carpet check highlight that permits really looking at the trustworthiness of a token. Besides, POOCOIN highlights a trading choice that you can use to trade tokens straightforwardly on the POOCOIN application. An outer devices page features other valuable apparatuses for BSC advantageously in one spot. A dev wallet checker checks for dodgy designer activity, like floor coverings, slow mats, and engineered dumps. Other than the illustrated highlights, POOCOIN likewise offers several top-notch elements to coin holders. Holding no less than $100 worth of POOCOIN BNB liquidity in the liquidity pool permits clients to follow other brokers' wallets and impair advertisements. Holding somewhere around $300 in the liquidity pool permits you to show your exchanges and empowers the wallet exchange tab. Holding something like $2,000 opens the last level, where clients can see moving sites and tokens in more timescales and list the 100 most famous tokens. What number of POOCOIN coins are there in circulation? The complete stock of POOCOIN is 10 million tokens. 25% of that is in the deployer wallet. Every exchange is charged a 8% expense, of which 4% is reallocated and 4% is singed. Something like 100,000 POOCOIN can be exchanged one exchange. This is to lay out cost strength and make a deflationary unique that keeps the symbolic ascending in the long haul. Numerous different tokens have a comparable sort of consume component, that is to boost holding the coin. Most prominently, Ethereum itself presented consuming piece of the exchange expenses as a feature of its most recent update. How is the POOCOIN network secured? POOCOIN is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC. BSC is gotten through the verification of stake agreement system. 21 validators are chosen at regular intervals to approve exchanges and keep up with blockchain security. These validators need to stake a specific measure of BNB coins with Binance to be qualified to do as such. When will POOCOIN trading begin? POOCOIN was delivered for general deal on March 7, 2021, on PancakeSwap. The conclusion expressed that the cost of the symbolic will clearly show a few extraordinary changes in the cost. Many individuals constantly looking to know a few extraordinary changes in the token since everybody simply needs to procure benefit